Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Nearby Share in Windows settings. Open System, then Nearby Sharing, and toggle it on. Select a visibility option, Everyone Nearby or My Devices Only, based on convenience and privacy. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are both enabled on your PC and the target device, and keep both screens awake. Once done, position devices within close range and sign into the same Microsoft account if you prefer device-only sharing. This reduces prompts and speeds up discovery. You now pick the file and start the transfer. In File Explorer or the app, right-click the item and choose Share, then select the nearby sharing target from the list. Windows will search and show available devices. On the recipient device, accept the incoming request. This authorizes the transfer and sets the save location. If you need larger files, compress them first. If you plan repeated transfers, set Save Files, I Receive To a known folder for faster access and fewer prompts. Complete the process by monitoring progress in Action Center and opening the received file when it finishes. If a transfer fails, make sure both devices are discoverable, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and nearby sharing permissions match your intent. Mismatched visibility is a common blocker. If devices still do not appear, restart Bluetooth, toggle nearby sharing off and on, or reboot both PCs. In most cases, a quick restart clears the device cache and restores reliable discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.